This is video 7.5 of my weekly series where I try to make $180 a week selling covered calls on HIMS stock. It has been a very long day. You can hear my air conditioning going. I am sweating. It is hot. My Bronco broke down. This is my 1985 Ford Bronco that stalled out as I was turning right there, and I literally coasted right into the spot. And I don't know what's wrong, but it's probably going to cost me, and I'm probably going to use the money that I made from selling covered calls. So let's see how much I made. Okay, so as you know by now with the series, I'm holding 100 shares of HIMS. I have several hundred other shares that I am investing in, but the $180 a week I'm trying to do on just 100 shares, where the premium has on average been about $1.80 or $180. Yet again this week I failed. I made $80, and it cost me $5,001. I bought this most recent position in June, at the end of June. So the shares haven't been called away yet on this particular position. I keep selling covered calls with a $50 or $51 strike price, and they keep not getting called away. So right now I am at 80. However, HIMS did close, but well, let me just double check. Okay, so I'm seeing HIMS closed at $50.38. So I'm out. Break even on this one. These shares are gone. I made 80 bucks. Cost me $5,000, and I made 1.59%. But however, you can tell I am tired. However, I also purchased another 200 shares earlier in the week at $47.84, probably on Monday, and I sold the strike price at $48. I made $322 on the premium for that position, which cost me $9,568, and I made 3.3%. Now, if this position gets assigned, which it ended up doing, I'm going to make $32 because of the profit, the difference here, 200 shares, a little bit of a difference here. So I'm going to make 32 bucks in addition to the 322. Later on in the week, I bought Oklo. I think I bought it actually like 2 days ago. Maybe I bought it on Monday. Don't know when I bought it. Doesn't really matter. 100 shares at $56.85. I sold a covered call with a strike price of $57. I made $240, so it cost me $5,685, and I made pretty good 4.22%. And on the difference, because Oklo was assigned, I made $15. Now, let's talk about Oklo here because there's pros and cons to this. As you may know, Oklo closed, oh my God, at almost $69. So, you know how I'm always saying your goal isn't to make all the money, just some of it? Well, Oklo is a prime example of hindsight. Of course, this week it would have been better for me to buy the 100 shares at $56.85 and sell them in the high 60s. It hit a high of 69 today, but even if I had sold it at 65, I would have made more trading it this week. But I didn't know that. Of course, if I had known that, I would have traded it. But you don't know. So what did I end up getting? 240 bucks plus another 15, made 4.22%, and I'm happy with that. We have to learn to be happy and recognize that this is good enough. You're not here to make all the money, just some of it. Now, a few days ago, I bought Joby. I bought 200 shares after the huge rally. I think I bought it on Wednesday. It had a huge rally into the week. This was very high risk because usually after a stock rips, there's profit taking and it dumps. But I was willing to take a gamble, yes, a gamble with Joby, buying 200 shares at $16.35, selling a covered call with a strike of 17, and saying, okay, I'm going to make a little money and make 130 bucks on the profit if it's assigned. And if not, I'm going to make $146 or 4.4%, which is around, cost me 3,200 bucks, roughly. So Joby also, let's take a look at Joby. Joby closed at $17.78. And my shares are gone at 17. I made 130 bucks in profit from where I purchased it to where it was called away from, plus $146. I'm very happy with this. Now, today, or maybe it was yesterday, everything is a blur. Again, very tired, very long day. I bought Enphase with an expiration of next week. So next Friday. So I went a little bit longer than I normally did. And this was because I noticed that the premiums today or yesterday or whenever I bought it, they were really high. So I bought 100 shares at $39.31. I'm feeling like this was actually yesterday on Thursday when I did this. Bought it at $39.31, sold a covered call with a strike of $39.50, made 245 bucks, spent $3,931, and I made a really, really good 6.2% on Enphase. Now, if it's called away next week, on Friday, great, and if it's not, I'll just keep selling covered calls. All right, so let's add it all up now. I spent $27,455 I made $1,033 for an average profit of 3.76 plus 32, 15, 130, so 177. And if these shares are assigned next week, another 19. Not bad. And unfortunately, that $1,000 this week is probably going to go to paying for this Bronco. Let's just call it the Covered Call Emergency Fund. If you are new here, I make these videos every Monday and Friday telling you what I'm going to do and what I ended up doing at the end of the week. Like, for example, I started with just hymns. I added Oklo, Joby, Enphase. I added a lot this week because I wanted to. All right, thanks for watching. See you later. I'm going to go take an ice-cold shower and sit on the couch. Oh, isn't she just so cute? Hi, Robin. All right.